What's happening in Florida that requires attention to this?
Sure. The Brigger's Water Act of 2012 passed a couple of years ago, and it dramatically changed how flood insurance was done in the United States. So much so that it really impacted Pinellas County, Hillsborough County, Lee County in really significant ways. In my community, we were seeing rates go from maybe $4,000 for flood insurance to sometimes $30,000 in flood insurance for a single family home. So, I mean, essentially families were just kind of handing back the keys to the bank, or at least talking about that. Now, they've done some work at the federal level, but at the state level, I think it's time that we control our own destiny. And so I filed a bill to basically take the reins from the federal government and let private companies write flood insurance in the state of Florida. And our bill allows a lot of flexibility, a lot of consumer protections.
What were driving those price increases?
Hurricane Katrina and Hurricane Sandy basically created a $24 billion hole in the National Flood Insurance Program. And that really made it so that Congress needed to act. And the way that they acted was they authorized huge rate increases that really affected homeowners, and it was just devastating to so many people in my community.
So your theory is let more people write insurance in the private market, which will make more policies available and drive down the cost.
That's exactly right. The flood insurance market's essentially been off limits to most private companies for 40 years. And we know by looking at what happened in the National Flood Insurance Program is Florida's 40% of the flood insurance market. In fact, we pay in almost $4 in premiums for every $1 we've taken in claims. So not only are we the largest portion of the market, but we're also the largest contributor to the market.